Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix laptop cursor not showing, especially in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my laptop with Windows 11 and let's say that my cursor is not showing in this laptop, so I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. First of all guys, you can press your start menu or Windows icon on your keyboard, okay, and then you can search for touchpad setting. Okay, type in touchpad settings like this, and then you're going to tap on enter, and then the touchpad setting will be opened, and you just need to make sure that you activate the touchpad. If you can't click on this touchpad option without your cursor, I'm going to show you the shortcut using your keyboard. You can press Alt on your keyboard and then you can click on F4 and then the touchpad will be activated. You can try. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix laptop cursor not showing in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!